Hey guys, welcome back to another exercise tutorial today. I'm going to be teaching you how to do a stiff leg deadlift. Now this can be tricky for some people as a lot of people don't have the flexibility in their hamstrings. So I'm going to show you how to do a proper deadlift, then I'm going to show you what not to do. So when you do a stiff leg deadlift, your knees aren't locked, but your legs are pretty straight. You still have a soft bend in your knee. And when you go to do this deadlift, you want to make sure your spine's neutral, so you're looking straight down in front of you, and you want to push your butt back, keeping your back flat. And you want to go as low as far down as you can with your back flat, and then you're going to pull up, squeezing the butt in. You want to keep these weights as close to your body as possible. Now what you don't want to do is you don't want to round your back. This is what you don't want to do. And some people, when they get down too far, their back will start to round. So if you're one of those people that you don't have that flexibility, just don't go as low. So what I would suggest is soft knees still. If you don't have the flexibility to keep them very straight, you can bend them a little bit, push the butt back, and if you only get to here with a flat back, that's okay, because what you're trying to engage is the hamstrings and the glutes. So when you go down, you're just going to go make sure your back's flat. You can look in a mirror, and then you're going to come up and squeeze the glutes, just like that. So if you can go farther down, that's good. But if you can't, you're literally just pushing that butt back. You should feel a nice stretch right in the back of the legs, and then come up. And that's it.